Hey there. I'm, confidence. Yeah, I know. Not very confident for a guy named Confidence, right? This is my friend. Let's call him you. We've been together since, well, forever. But lately I've been feeling a bit small. And you? Well, you've been avoiding a lot of things. Like that time you didn't raise your hand in class, even though you knew the answer. Or when you didn't ask that cute person out for coffee. Or even when you didn't try out for the school play, even though you love acting. It felt like we were stuck in a loop of what-ifs and if-onlys. But then something changed. You decided to take a tiny step. You answered one question in class. I felt a little bigger. Then you complimented a stranger. What? You even signed up for a small role in the school play. I was practically glowing. We started to realize that confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, one small action at a time. But then came the big test, the diving board at the pool. You've always been scared of heights, but this time was different. As we climbed the ladder, I could feel your heart racing. But I was there, whispering, "You've got this. Remember how far we've come." You reached the top, looked down, and took a deep breath. For a moment, I thought we might turn back. But then, you jumped. In that moment, I felt like I could touch the sky. The world seemed to slow down as you soared through the air. The rush of the fall, the splash of the water, the thrill of overcoming fear. It was like diving into a new world of possibilities. As you surfaced, grinning from ear to ear, I knew we'd never be the same. That moment of triumph was just the beginning of our journey together. Sure. We still feel nervous sometimes. That's normal. But now we know that feeling afraid doesn't mean we can't do something. Remember, building confidence isn't about being fearless. It's about taking small steps, celebrating little wins, and believing in yourself. Together, we've grown so much. Every challenge we face makes our bond stronger and our future brighter. So, what small step will you take today? The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And hey, who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one inspiring others to build their confidence too.